IAS 37 provision. What is provision? A liability of uncertain timing or amount. Amount and timing are not certain. No, don't know about the amount, how much is this, and timing when it will occur. Recognition of a provision. An entity must recognize a provision if and only if present obligation has arisen as a result of past event. Means some event occurred in past and the obligation will arise now. We have to make the payments. The amount can be estimated reliably. Amount must be reliably measured. How much is the value of the liability or obligation? Probable outflow of economic benefit. It is probable that company will make payment. Present obligation may be legal or constructive. Measurement of the provision. Provision should be measured at each balance sheet date. Provision for one of events, restructuring, environmental cleanup, or settlement of lawsuits should measure at most likely amount. Should measure at reliable measurement. Amount should be measured reliably. Provision for the large population of events, warranties, customer refunds are measured at probable weighted average value. Above both restructuring, environmental cleanup, and settlements are the warranties, customer refunds should be discounted at the present value by using the pre-tax discount rate, which will take into account the time value of money and the current market assessment. Entity should take into account risks and uncertainties that associated with the event occurred. Whatever is the event occurred, entity should take into account the risk and uncertainties that are associated with that particular events. Example of the provisions. Entity should recognize provision for land contamination, cleanup, building, customer refund as per the entity policy, unavoidable lease payments, onerous loss-making contracts and warranties, etc. Entity should not recognize provision for future operating losses, major repair and staff training, etc. Restructuring provision. First of all, we have to know about the restructuring. What structuring? Sales or termination of line of business, closing of the business location, change in management structure, fundamental reorganization. Restructuring provision should recognize as follows. Provision should recognize on restructuring as follows. Sales of operation. Recognize a provision after binding sale agreement. Provision should recognize once the sale agreement is binding. Close of the close or reorganization. Recognize provision only if the formal detail plan is adopted and the implementation started on the particular plan which is adopted. Future operating losses. Provision should not recognize the operating losses even if the restructuring provision on acquisition. Recognize provision only if there is an obligation at acquisition. Only recognize provision if the obligation is at the date of the acquisition. Debit entry of the provision. Provision debit entry is not always expense. Sometimes it is capitalized in assets value. In case of inventories or environmental cleanups, it's capitalized. Provision should review at each balance sheet date and adjust to its current best estimates. If it's no longer probable of outflow of economic benefits to settle the obligation, then reverse the provision. Review 2 points here. Review the provision at each balance sheet date and assess what is the market value of this provision. If provision not exist, then reverse the amount what we have recorded in our books of account. Disclosures about provision. Entity should disclose recognition for each class of provision, like opening balance, addition, used, unused amount, reversed, unwinding of discount or changes in discount rates, closing balance, brief description for each class of provision, nature, timing, uncertainty, assumptions, reimbursement if any. A prior year reconciliation is not required.